Howdy, 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 howdy. Did that. Alright, let me clear some things up. I had this cool little fire barrel particle effect just a second ago. I think it looks really good. Tonight I'm going to apply some lessons. I've watched some videos, just random tutorial videos about different things, topics I've already done. And I think I learned exactly how to clean up my line of sight code for shooting. So that's probably the first thing I'm going to do. First, I'm going to try to run away. God, it just looks good. I get stuck looking at it. It's a coming along. All right. So let's work on that shoot target. So I was working on. Where is it? Yeah, I'm going to remove some stuff real quick. Didn't need that. Is there something else? Not that I can think of at the moment. All right, so we go to the shoot action. We will see on shoot complete. You get animator, and that's when shoot. Oh, pretty sure it's on any shoot. That is actually the one I'm. Nope. No one's using that right now. On aiming. Here we go. It's got to be it. Nothing. Should we invoke the shoot complete here? And that's when the action camera should go back up. What am I thinking? I'm looking for camera manager, I believe. Hide action camera. Any action completed. So we hide it on start, and we hide it when we complete the action. Okay, here's where we start the action camera. Where are we setting the priority? Oh, it's automatically higher. Okay, so at the start of the action, we do that. There's no delays or no timing here. It's just... So when the action completes is when we hide it. And it's completing just a little too soon for the full auto. That's why I was trying to put a little weight in. Oh, I'm dumb. Crap. These need to be delay. It would help if I actually, you know... What was the other delay? Aiming. So it's in take action. Okay. So I'm exposing those timers so I can get figure out which one is really needed to be tweaked for the shooting. So I think that's everything I wanted to do. To play or save, and now let's play. When they're on full auto, the last like bullet or so, the camera comes up just so ever so soon, or too soon. So let's... Well, must be the timing. Oh, right. Duh. Oh, it takes a minute. So the variables on that guy have got to be wrong. So shoot action. That was afterwards. So let's take this to 0.5 and let's have him shoot again. We went from shoot action. Oh, a 0.1 right here to 1.5. Now we're in cool off. Cool off is going to be 3 seconds. That's the cool off. Okay, so cool off is too damn high. Wonder why that changed so drastically. Let's see about that one. Much better. No, I'm still set too damn high. One 1.5, 0.1, 1. All right, let's test that out again. Now the action camera should stay, you know, point 1, 1. All right, let's try that. So they should, oh, or I gotta add hiders to those, but all the bullets fire and then the camera goes. All the bullets fire, camera goes back. Okay, we're good there. So I'm gonna leave that alone. The next thing is the line of sight check. So the one that says they can shoot is, one sec. Blocked by an obstacle. All right, let me look at this just a sec. I'll be right back. Chicken wings, the hardest thing to eat. All right. Not the hardest, but messy. It's messy. Is this the ray fire that I care about? This is the one that says it can do it. I get the unit world position. Start end. Let me think here. Maybe I was doing it right. That might be a little high, but where's these blue lines? I don't see them. They're all on the ground. Let's see if that shows them. This should let me know, like, I'm doing it right. We'll see, though. We'll see. I'm gonna have to eat these chicken wings in a second. I don't see any blue. Do you? Oh, I'm being dumb. No, this is fine. Are we not coming down here? There we are. Interesting. 0 hits. Interesting. Hold on a sec. No, I'll be right back. Got to eat this food. We're back. See here, enemy AI. Where are you at? That's movement. That doesn't matter here. I don't know why that keeps happening. Okay. So we're never being blocked by the raycast. Obstacles, blocking, move. So if I take a obstacle, let's get rid of all this debug. Hold on, sorry. Oh shit, everything's static. I forgot. That's something that is not. You are not. So let's take you, turn you to an obstacle. Then scale you up. See if I can still hit him. There we go. Oops, I did a boo-boo. Darn it. The blue line is hitting I can shoot him. Proper line of sight. Neither of us had line of sight. I guess it's working right. I'm gonna create some more test scenarios. So like a window should be able to shoot through a window. Copy, paste. So we'll make this transparent FX. So I believe the way I have it set is the shoot transparent FX and obstacles. Look at the old level real quick. Where is it? Did I delete those walls? Oh, the building. This one here will be fine. It's a walkable obstacle. And it's got a destructible, window interactable. Oh, that's what I did. So, windows are annoying in that I need to make the window not a collider. And then this is the broken glass. Okay, so all windows will need little conversions like that. Anyone that I'm gonna be able to shoot through. So I'm not going to worry about that right now because I want to get some functionality done. I've got that done. It just, has a little work to it. So to get this shoot to where I could shoot through it is going to be annoying. And that's why do these have a plan? They're transparent FX. The fog of war. There's no collider. Well, there is a collider, I bet you. Here. That fully surrounds it. So I could do that. Then they should be able to look through. This one's actually easy to convert because I'm never going to be like ray casting through the top there. And I feel like they should be able to look through and shoot through these. So what I'm going to do now is disable the enemies to see if the fog of war now works. Why no shoot? Why can I not see through you? Oh, wrong window. Should be able to see into this building. Let me see what the collider's doing. Glass. Weird. Let me look at my revealer. Obstacle mask. I think I arrowed down. The domain reloaded. Okay, one more experiment with this. So, one, I don't want everything to be static here anymore. So this is default. It's no longer going to block pathfinding, but it won't block line of sight. Let's see if it works. Can't see inside the building. Why? Oh, I bet you I know. It's because the obstacles or the chairs sitting in the way. Oh, fuck a war system. Where you at? Now if I go to the units, is it hitting? I just feel like it's not supposed to be hitting anything right there. But it may be. It may be. No clue why the interact skill went off. Or well, I kind of know, but I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is just clear out that side so I can be damn sure they're not in that tile. Turn this to default. Default. Oh, because of the collider here, I bet you. The thickness. Why is this not walkable? Okay. Dumbfounded. Maybe it's this guy. I just picked the wrong one to do this with. Oh, what the fuck. Trying to test something and man, am I hosing it. Let's put it all back for now. I'll test this in another more controlled spot. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna copy this piece of wall, duplicate it, bring it out here in the road, and we will do our see-through test. Pardon me. The glass and this is the same. The box collider is not. I'll drop it even lower just for giggles. We'll hit play. I should be able to see through it. And like, I'd really love it to get it to where Yeah, it's working. It's working there. Now if I take this collider up, is it working? Or is it lying? Oh, it's not A. So since that's a walkable obstacle, now I'm going to affect the collider. There we go. So it need to be ever so... Duplicate this guy. Take its collider up. Can't see. Can't see through there. Can see through this a little, I think, here. Yeah, I'm not sure why it wouldn't do it over there. Like, let me go try it one more time. I think I know, but... Oops. Because of the environment beside the wall, I think there's just something with the collider. Still not letting me see through. Could it be these things? Just gonna delete until it finally lets me see through. Oh, I'm a dumbass. I've got the, there's an invisible collider floating here that I can't frickin' select anymore. Oh, that's right. Did I select it here? Yeah, that's why this place is fucked. Or not. Oh, it's so tricky trying to figure out how to select that guy. Had the bright idea to create a cube and float it in the air right here. There it is. Unity, select object with mesh renderer. Oh shit. Okay, I'm wasting enough time on this. I know why I can't get to where he'll look through the windows, and it's fine. They will look through the windows. Her. All right then. So if shooting's fine, let's get back to what we were doing. Okay. Hmm. Oh, lootable containers. Stats factor into shooting melee. Kind of got that started, so I'll change. Then change log. Um, what do I want to do? Well, I don't know what I wanted to do. I thought I had a plan. I kind of do, but what sounds the most appealing? Oh, let's walk around for a second while I think it out. Oh dear. I know what I'm going to do, and I hate it. I hate that I gotta do this, but I gotta find this box. So this is gonna be, from now on, if I ever do this, I'm gonna name the thing appropriately. There's literally thousands of these. Oh my god. Now let's do this. We'll roll out which ones are which. So we'll do the top three. It's in those. It's not in strip club. It's in scene. Okay. Not there. It's not there. It's not there. Not there. Not there. Not there. Still not there. Told you there's a shitload of objects. Oh my god, it's at the bottom. Oh my gosh. Okay, so one, I want to give this a frickin' so crazy that I can't click it. Like everything clicks through. Give this a mesh renderer. Cube. No, where's the mesh? Okay, weird. Very word. Yeah, whatever. This is how I'll be able to select it from now on. It didn't need to float up in the window. Still blocking everything. Take it under the table some more. Still blocking. Okay. Now I can see through these windows if I've... Okay. Maybe too low, but let's test it out. I can see in now. Can't see in there anymore. can see in some. Oh, where the fuck is it? That's the way I want it. Yay. All right, lesson learned. Don't put the collider up in the side of in a window. I can put it under the ground and block these off without, you know, needing anything. That's so badass. Can't see shit right there. Can see part. Can see part. Can see part. And nothing. Okay, awesome. This also means we can shoot through the windows again, which is annoying. But I can see into the alley also. So this has 2 uses. Okay. All right, so again, you're gonna be able to shoot through the windows. I got to make the windows destructible. Oh. But I'm glad I figured that out. I was just like, man, why isn't this working? This should work. I got to turn my webcam back on. Okay, another level design rule that I have to remember. Oh crap, man, my brain. Ian. It's looking fly. It's looking good. Thought probably going to continue on the combat systems. I'm just trying to think of what the funnest thing would be to work on right now. What is the most critical? Let me the NPC movement fix, I think, is an important one. Actually, let's fix that. So let's try to make the walk look better. Is walking. Unit dot. So if they have a move unit, it's just or if they have a move action on the unit, and the move action get is auto walking. So we do have that is available on the player only. But so we can say so if the player has a move action and the player is auto walking, then we are not going to clear the walking bull. So as long as they are walking, no stopping of the movement. Let's see here. That might do it. That just might do it. What's up, Zombiac? I am tweaking things. That looks so much better. Holy cow, that looks better. Yeah, definitely have. I'm just getting in the groove, man. Like, everything's clicking. Now let's see what that looks like with enemies. Okay. Let's do 15. You like the fro? Well, that's not right. Oh, he lost me. He's stuck in that state. A mixture of, I have a kind of a list of POIs in my mind that I want to build out. So, yeah, I got a lot of that coming. Why did it shoot from the feet? Oh, the guns, because he's in the run animation. Walking looks a lot better now. Yeah, so like I want city scenes, some wilderness scenes, like a hospital scene, gas stations, grocery stores, you know, that kind of stuff. Military compound, like a power plant, uh, sewer level, like yeah, just a bunch of different like basically your bunker's right outside of a city, and you're going into it to loot stuff to try to get stuff to continue to survive. So a whole bunch of stuff like this here. I'm gonna apocalyptify this here soon enough, but um, knock everything over, vegetation, overgrowth, that kind of stuff. Right now I'm just, yeah, that looks so much better. Ooh. And that was easy to accomplish. But again, I gotta fix some states where if they shoot at me, they need to stop walking. Fuck yeah. Looks like they cut out my sister's surgery or cancer, and it's not, you know, it's just in a maintenance state now. Like, it's not spreading. Yeah, like all my 3D models are in packages in Unity, but I mean, I can open any of them from here and take it into Unity. I have hospital props and all that. So I got enough to create a hospital scene. Like, I got tons, like everything here, I just got to put together or create the scene. I probably wouldn't have, I'd probably make a new sign for it, but yeah, like deadpan. Trying to think of hospital props. Anywho. So when they decide to shoot me, let's see. One shoot. So the NPC decides to shoot me. The player is auto walking still. Is not auto walking. Set it to bull. I think that'll do the trick. So now they should, whenever we're auto walking and they decide to shoot, it should now look better. Or they won't be stuck in the walking state while trying to shoot. Which again, I got to trick the fog of war system just to confirm this. Fog of war off. Okay. So now I'm going to walk away. and then walk into his gunfire. I'm gonna walk back. No, I'm stuck in. Okay. Okay. So I gotta get a good distance away for this to work. Yeah. If I need to do this for every unit. No. Oh, shit. Okay. Damn it, didn't work. My brain. So I need a method in the unit to just say stop walking, which I can do pretty easily. One second. Had to get another chicken wing. Had to get another one. All right. Hmm. What's the cleanest way to do this? Pardon me. So far, there's no events in the unit animator. What is the way I want to do this? The player is auto walking. We have shoot. The unit animator is bold, so just that's what we're gonna do. So on Hey Gothmog, how's it going? Trying to think of the best way to time something. I am building turn-based into the world kind of extraction shooter RPG. Let me show you in just a second. Now this is going to be static. Ooh. I'll show you real quick before I get deep into this. I think it's not broken. I'm in the middle of doing something kind of big, but we'll see. We'll see. So this is kind of like your home base. You when you start out, it's all run down and broken, and you got to repair the base. And this is kind of the war table where you kind of interact and you go out into the world. So that's kind of like your world map. You'll pick a destination from here and then go loot and try to get back safely. You got your hydroponics and agriculture where you're going to grow your crops and all that goodness. You got your server, communications, intelligence. The vehicle bay over here where you'll maintain your vehicles. That's not fully wired up yet. This is, again, very work in progress. This is the water purification and storage. It's where you got to keep a good water supply. You got to maintain power, so you got to bring back stuff to facilitate that. So let's go to the level. Doot, doot. I don't know if you played like Quasimorph or Zomboid or Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead, but kind of the end of the world thing. And you're trying to just survive as much as you can. It's a roguelike sandbox experience, so you kind of tailor it. The fro should be hidden. So this is kind of what the level and the combat looks like. I got some stuff to polish out still. Let me show you the yeah, like it's one of the big inspirations, but and this is more of a turn-based single player. It's not your survival experience that I don't know if you've heard of play like Quasimorph is a really good example right now. But yeah, it's an extraction shooter like Zero Sievert, except turn-based. So again, these are still very early in the development. Working out all the movements, all the stuff. Thank you, man. Yeah, I'd say it's getting there. Every day I'm making more progress. Now we're going to go to the strip club. It doesn't have a roof yet. But I got it to where I can quickly get the levels set up with my pathfinding and movement systems and all that. Oh yeah, I'll show you this too. Started on the weapon attachment system. Oh well. The club lights are reflecting on the gun. I need to do that. I'll do it outside. I got to make the gun like be affected by its own light. Now it's too dark out here. But you can modify your gun, change mags, grip, stock, scope, all that. That system's coming together. It's not fully there, but yeah. Let's say it's gonna be kind of one of those things where you can tweak the game a lot, like the difficulty, how things happen, types of enemies, the number of enemies, and you just see how long you can survive. There'll be some lore and all that, but yeah. It's definitely coming along. I got a lot done. I just can't wait to be even further along, as always. All right, back to this. So on any clear auto walk, we shall invoke this. Okay, so now I'm going to wire up to that. Move action on any. Did I not save it? This is on stop. I guess I don't need this here anymore with this new way, so I'll take it out. This is what I want. Take this out for now. So everyone should stop walking. I don't need to check all this stuff anymore, actually, because this is being fired by the clear of the auto walk. So everybody stop walking whenever auto walk gets canceled. I got to turn the enemy on. That worked. Before, she would have just kept walking in place, so that didn't work. He's still auto walking. Oh yeah. He's losing me. He's losing track of me is why he's stopping. I forgot about that. Gotta fix that. And that is on enemy AI. No, it's unit action system. Check. The hell was it? Last scene, that's what I want. Self-taught. Yeah, I went to college for like, I don't know, I've been programmed since I was like 11 years old. I went to college for a few semesters and like I had fun with all the computer classes and I got A's as long as I helped the other students because the teacher's like, oh, you know this better than me. And then one of my professors, I showed a program I wrote in C# to extend Windows Shell. And he's like, what the hell are you doing here? And I had a job interview the next day. And after that, I dropped out of college. And yeah, it's just been, that's kind of what it's been this entire time. Let's do 20 for now. The enemies now know, like, they see you and they remember you. And then if they don't see you for X number of turns and they lose interest. But I gotta fix that. There he is. He's following me. He didn't stop auto walking. Even though, did I wire that up? Yes, I did. Is there a destroy message here? The hell? This is a mono behavior. Very confused. And destroy. Oh, it's already here. That's why it was not. Okay. Da 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 da. Any clear auto walk. Okay. I'm gonna log this out and make sure. All right. This new way of walking looks a lot better, but again, I'm working out the bugs with it. Clear the auto walk. And then it did a move along path. Okay, I think I know what's going on. Oh, right. When the enemy doesn't. Oh, shit. How am I thinking about this? So I walk away. The clear event stopped him from walking. Yeah, he's still walking. So if I auto walk, I complete an auto walk without being attacked, then okay. I think I know where I need to go. Path manager, units. My eyes are blind. It's just in it, I swear. Path manager. There it is. Okay, I'm blind. Okay. So the player completes his movement, and then I just want to fire off that event. Okay. Now he should stop moving, even if he doesn't shoot me. He just decides, or it comes to the end of his move. Unless the async stuff is going to cause me trouble. Yeah, no, I can't do that. That's right. It makes sense, but damn it. Oh, I want this so bad. I just gotta figure out the best way to call it. Time to call it, essentially. Auto walk really complicates this so much, but it's so nice to be able to click and walk with your mouse. On turn change, whenever it's the player's turn. No, can't do that either. These all interrupt the move action. That's melee. You know, we didn't reach our destination. We did, though, then. I'll say it again. I hate auto walk, but I'm not gonna abandon it. So I completed my turn. Obviously, I reached my destination, and this was. Actually, does it actually get called? Let's see. It does. So we're going to fire off that event. Everyone that's walking should be stopped. So this is the player, has completed auto walking. Enemy 4, set to false, in the unit and him. But it's still true. What the fuck? Oh well. I'll figure it out. It's 8:49. The walking's incredibly smoother, but I gotta figure out this damn they continue walking. So it's getting turned back on somewhere. We're going to find it. So we start moving because the NPC took an action. Okay. I don't want to have to do this, but I'm doing it just because it's not going to hurt nobody and things. Wish it didn't have to, but the sequence of things and how they worked out, I think it's just best to do this. So if they're about to take a turn, shit sticks. Yeah, this is a really tricky one because it's the auto walk uses pathfinding. The pathfinding is calculated on different threads, and it's stored and cached, and it's played through. So whenever I use WASD to walk, it's a straightforward thing. But when you auto walk, there's a lot going on because if an enemy gets within range, you got to be able to stop the auto walk and get shot. This ain't it either. Need to understand why the enemy tries to take a turn after. Oh, because they go after me. So I complete my path, and then they take their last step. Okay. Yeah. So this is how we'll do it. No, this isn't gonna work either. So I take my turn, they take their turn, they're done. And then when it's flipping back to my turn, shit, stairs. This is probably going to have them. Their very last step, they'll probably just hover to the position with this. Because I'm saying the player's not auto walking, so I should stop auto walking. Wait, he stopped. But I need to see see that happen. So let's keep an eye on him. We're going to take a 3-step. Huh? Okay. Fuck yeah, it works. There we go. I stop auto walking when they shoot me. They stop auto walking whenever I complete an auto walk without them interrupting me. Fuck yes. There we go. And the reason this is better is before the walk animation stopped every time, every square they took, they stopped animating the walk. So they go from idle, walk, idle, walk, idle, walk, idle, walk for every square. So now once I start an auto walk, I don't turn off the walk animation and it looks just so much better. Like I want a before reference to show you, but I don't want to go through stripping that back out just to get that video. But yeah. Let's try to get in the strip club. You still got that little pause or whatever, but whoops. It just looks better. Awesome. So now we have is walking now stays on for both player and enemies or AI during auto walk. Sweet. Wasn't on my agenda today, but I'm super happy I got that working. Because it just looked weird. It's like, gut, 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 gut. Even worse than, you know, like, see the arms are swinging back and forth. It's because she can complete the actual animation instead of it. Because every square, the animation would get shut off and then started back up. Now it's turned on and stays on until I get to the end. Looks much better. Muy better. I still want to smooth out try to get rid of the pauses, but it's kind of hard being a turn-based game and the camera updating. Oh, fuck yes. Let's, oops. I got punched in the face. Missed again. I wonder if I have a graphic for miss. Something cool. Missiles. Something like that. When they miss, it does that. Whoosh. Actually, whoosh is a good thing for missing. Like someone misses you a melee. Whoosh. Text hit. What's up? We can go straight up Batman with this. I actually kind of like that idea. I got wham, poof, boom. Let's look into how those actually work. Texture sheet animation. Tiles 1-1. Frame over time. Got it. Okay. So I just need to update the text. I could duplicate whoosh. Miss whoosh. What do you think? Should I show the text like that whenever stuff happens? Because right now I've got the number, like the numbers pop up when they get a hit in the air and then they fall through the world. He ain't hitting for shit though. There you go. I think for melee I will add it. So whenever they miss, they'll get a miss, and then whenever they yeah, I think it's gonna happen. Oh, I like that. That's a good idea. Yeah, because it would be overkill for every single hit. That shall happen. All right, that's on my to-do. All right. Just don't have the old motivation that you normally have tonight. Lonely, we're getting rid of you. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Yeah, it's just that. Super happy about the walking being smoother now. I've got the line of sight too for like inside the bar working. So if you're standing at the window out in the alley, you actually see into the bar. So before the windows were blocking view. The smoke particle always restarts when it comes back into view. What I could do is pause it instead of disabling it when it goes out of view. Then when it comes back, I just don't know if anyone's going to notice that, but maybe they will. Because when I'm not looking at it, it's disabled, and then I want to re-enable it, the particle's got to start again. That's going to be a common theme with particle systems, I believe, so there's something I probably want to fix, just where it pauses it instead of restarting it. Just be like, are you around the corner? Come back. Oops. I don't know. I'll probably fix that. When particles are hidden by the fog of war, pause versus disable. Okay. God's just looking so good lately. Everything's just working like I want. Let's try it with 4 enemies, or 5. See what the movement looks like. Because every time, the more enemies, the more turns have to be taken in between. So I wonder if that consistent walking is going to look as good. Oh, but I gotta aggro all 5 of them. That's right. They no longer instantly walk to me, so I can't test this theory as easy. Well, fudge cakes. Oh, you know what? they can instantly, so they're facing the wall right now. They can shoot me before they can see me. I'm pretty sure. So if I step up to here, yeah. He was... He's now looking at me, but... So that means... he could line of sight because he could look over the thing here. So shooting doesn't... What they actually can see isn't being checked. So they're looking at the wall. I shouldn't be in their line of sight yet. Yeah, because see, he hasn't shot at me yet. But if I keep going this way, I think he'll see me and start moving towards me. So let me turn off the hider on them also. He saw me to shoot, damn it. So I need to walk this distance to test that. I'm almost sure this is right. I'm just trying to confirm it myself. So again, these guys, disable your fog of war hiders so I can see you. Now that he could shoot me from that position, but this other guy, I'm out of range for him. He didn't see me. So he saw me. He saw me and he moved towards me, and now he's probably in range to shoot. So that proves that they can shoot me even if they don't actually see me. So I need to implement the FOV check for shooting, just so, because that way you can't even sneak up behind them now. Like, if they're not looking at you, yeah, let's add it. So shoot. Check AI vision. V. So our raycast collided. And then we're going to check FOV on shoot. So we do the angle of the unit to where they hit. So I just need this. Oh, this will fix this for the player too. So, all right, we've got here, we know we have a line of sight. Now, is that line of sight in the FOV of the unit? So this will be target position. Okay. Of course. Gonna need a get FOV method. Public int get FOV. Return FOV. So now I can say unit dot get FOV. Or shit, what am I doing? All right. Now this is true if it's inside of it. So we don't want this. Don't need the line draw. Target, shoot target and FOV. And only then should we add it as a valid position. So we raycast, we had no hits, no obstacles blocked us. We now check the angle and then the FOV. All right, so this should be easy to test. I'm gonna disable 4. Hold on. Four, you're disabled. I should be able to walk up behind 6 now. And if I'm not in his line of sight, he won't shoot at me. He's looking at the wall right there, so I'm going to try to walk right here. Fuck yes. He doesn't see me, so he can't shoot at me. Now if I walk into his view, well, that was crap. That's melee. Let's do a different test. So let's take him back. Or let's just rotate him. So he's looking that way. Now, also, if you're making noise, he will see you. Damn it. That's fucking not ideal. Okay. I need to be able to walk past him without him getting close enough to hit me. Which also, melee needs FOV check as well. Okay. Still has not shot me. He saw me, so he shot me. Brilliant. Just brilliant. Oh, I can do back attacks now. Because I know if I add the FOV check in melee, then they won't attack if I'm in the 3 squares behind them. Yeah. Back attacks are in. These aren't on my to-do list, but I'm excited by them. No, yeah. Okay, we'll leave it there. Test it. Crap. Gotta move them up one. There's certain things that you can click on that the interactability will activate and it shouldn't. I will be fixing that. So he shouldn't attack me when I step here now. No attack. You can sneak up on him. Boom, he swung. Fuck yes. Oh man, this is so cool. Might as well implement it in cast before I forget. Now, no, I was gonna say that could I walk past him after he's seen me? No, because whenever he goes to attack me, he faces me and he stays facing me. So he will, there's never going to be a time where I walk past him and I'm within melee range and he saw me, or it doesn't make sense. Yeah. Okay. Fucking A, fucking A. That is so cool. Now the enemies are, again, the AI and everything's just getting more polished. Like, I love it. I love it. Cast action. pretty much same thing, same story. So now you can sneak up on characters, and if you melee them and they have not seen you, it will double the damage. I think I can implement that right now and pretty fast. So I'm the player. I take my action. So we have the target unit here. If target unit get last seen unit is null, we're gonna double the damage. So we're gonna have a bool, say private bool, which is true or false, back attack. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Can't fight it. So here, if it is a back attack, 1 times 2, and then if it's not, it's 1. So, whoops. Now when I hit him, it should be 2 if it's a back attack. Well, wait, I gotta... Where do I set that? So the unit hasn't seen me, and it's a back attack. I think that'll work for them too, if for some reason they get the drop on me. All right, let's look at I was thinking this feature through, back attacks, or like how to detect that, and like, oh my god, it's so easy now because of this. Oh, what the hell? It went to interact, didn't it? It did. Why is it going to interact? Handle selected action. Oh, interact is the last in the list. So I want sword to be... They both can be true. So if it's an enemy, then it's the melee should go. Okay, so I just gotta say level grid dot instance get unit at grid position dot count, or what's that return? Unit? Yeah. So only do interact if there is not a unit at the grid position. Okay, this should fix it right here. And interact will still work for doors and stuff. So you won't try to melee a door. All right, test, here we come. Bam. Oh, I missed. If it is a back attack too, I think it should always hit, right? Like, there shouldn't be a chance to miss. Missed again. Oh, I have like a 2 melee. Oh, we only got 1 damage. Yeah, that's what, yeah, I think so too. There shouldn't be a chance to miss, so. Oh shit, this should have been is equal to null, not that. All right, now it's gonna work. I also gotta clear it though. Otherwise, every back attack will be. Yeah, because I check every time I take an action, and then I clear it when we do damage, and that way, if something happens and it changes, it will always work. Now let's look at the skill check. Where did I add that? Proficiency system, right here. If back attack. There we go. So back attacks will now always be true. This can come back. The proficiency check for melee can come back with a miss, but this trumps it. Man, I can't believe this. I got this all implemented. It kind of just like randomly happened. I'm so glad. It was not on my list of to-dos or what I was planning, but this is so badass. All right, guaranteed hit. Neg 2. Back attack. Oh, back attacks will need to make the player aware of the unit, because right now I can just sit there and infinitely back attack him. Okay, let's do that. Create it. Back attacks that always, if the player hasn't And seen by the enemy, it 100% hits and does double damage for now. That could get tweaked later. And then back attacks make units aware of the player. So when that happens, target unit dot set last seen unit equals unit. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So now basically it should take action after I hit it once. It should start attacking me. Here's hoping. What have I done? What the shit? I think Unity's bugged out. Yeah, let me close Unity real quick. I'm not sure what's going on there. But I noticed my other monitors are flashing. Like over here on the left, like something, I think it's a graphics driver thing. I got a 4090 now. So I think I probably ran out of memory or something. I don't know. I should check that before. Unity wasn't throwing any error. So yeah, it's just a weird ass bug. So he moved. Oh shit. The line of sight is failing, I think. I need to increase the FOV. So I can't attack him now because he's out of my line of sight. Because I moved. Okay, so check this out. So he moves here. Or I take my turn. I move up. Out of his line. So I'm technically in his line of sight here. But when I move here, I'm out of his line of sight. So he's going to do a move action because he can't get an angle on me. So for melee, I believe what I want to do is when I go to take an action, or when I go to line of sight check, if unit dot so if we do have a seen target, which again, the enemy's going to be aware of them for a while until you lose line of sight. So this makes sense. We're going to trump FOV after we've gotten back attacked. Yeah, yep. Just for melee, not for shooting. Well, yeah, it should just be only for melee. If I get away far enough, he can shoot me again, then he would shoot. If I was in his line of sight. There we go. Oh shit, he got a back attack. Oh, that makes sense because I was in his back row here. So back attacks get you back attacked. So I missed, he hit. I hit, he hit. So do enemies get to be able to back attack? If enemies... Yeah, I would think enemies could back attack. No, that doesn't make sense. So I hit him as a back attack. I got back attack. I completed my turn. And I set, at the time of back attack, I set his to last scene. So he goes to take his action. Oh, he's asked, okay. If I'm not tracking last scene unit for the player at all. Do enemies get back attack or no? The easy way here is no, they can't do back attack, and I don't have to think about this. But if they don't... If it is an enemy... yeah, that would be... But that's something that, you mean, that would, players have to think about, like, watching their back. If it is an enemy unit, it's not the player's turn, it's an enemy unit, and the target unit is... No, it's the enemy's turn. They're attacking. If they have a selected or last seen target, then they can't back attack. Yeah. We'll see. I may take it out, but just think about that. I can have an enemy that's constantly trying to sneak up on you and will not shoot and just keeps trying to get closer, and you're not paying attention and you're not listening. Then you could get back attacked. So if unit dot get last seen, So I back attack them. They now have a last seen target because I hit them. Only if their last seen target is null will... Oh. Yeah, only if the enemy goes to melee. If they don't have a seen target, then yes, back attack. But if their target is seen, then don't back attack. Okay, so now I should be able to hit him and he won't instantly back attack me back. And then I could try to lose aim and him lose interest and then see. He missed. All right. So that works. Now let's lose him. He's going to shoot the shit out of me when I try to get away. You're going to be able to actually move more than one spot depending on your walk. Or if you're running, you can move multiple spaces in a turn. And come up with a whole system for that. So he should lose interest if I don't. He lost interest. Okay, let's go look at him. Okay, how can I get behind him? I'm just going to rotate him. Pretend he turned around. Okay. So I got turned around, or I got back, snuck up back on him. I'm going to turn my back. I'm going to rotate him back. And this will simulate him sneaking up on me. He got a back attack. Fuck yes. All right. Now I can't hit him because I don't have a last seen target. What? That was weird. That's bugged. Well, oh, I know what's going on. Not gonna fix that right now, though. I think. Still very happy with tonight's progress. Got smoother walking, got back attacks, got line up. You can sneak up on units. They can't magically shoot you even though they weren't looking at you. All kinds of goodness, man. One second, grab some water. Appreciate it. Glad you're here to watch. Too, kind of gives me people to bounce ideas off of, like the 100% accuracy of the back attack. Oh, I forgot to put that wall back. All right. Frickin' A. Frickin' A. Yeah, I wasn't even thinking about stealth. So happy that, kind of that played out. Alrighty. I do think I may call it for the night. That scenario where I moved the character, or tricked it into saying the back attack was coming from an NPC, and then the mouse hover needs FOV. So we determine if it's a valid action. This has got the FOV in it. Oh wait, this is, yeah. Yeah, that's it. So it would come into here. It's the player's turn. I got back attacked. So I'm allowed to hit. But why didn't I rotate? Oh, it's right here. Ah, okay. I know why I didn't rotate. Because my forward and his forward, this isn't using Quaternion. So the way this can, what can happen is, yeah. Gotta go shoot and copy it from there. All right, so Quaternion rotation, much better. What am I doing? I'm instantly. Wait, the fuck? I'm lerping my forward on my transform. Guess that was working. All right, let's set it up again. So, my guy. I just need to take the unit and put it in front of him. So I hit intern. He gets a back attack. I go to melee him back. I turn around. Sweet. Okay, so that, yeah, I don't know what I was doing with that. Setting the forward of the transform, but see how they're looking and then they're swinging. Okay. Okay, that's fixed. But I didn't like that. Didn't I like about that? Oh yeah, the highlighter. Whenever it's my turn and I'm using the highlighter, it didn't go red here because so I've been back attacked. I'm now moving the mouse button, the mouse selection cursor around, it comes here. Let's set that test up one more time. Okay, he's behind me. Go ahead and let him hit. Now I'm going to attach the debugger. Mouse over him. So far, so good. Now, obviously, the angle is going to shut us down. Or no, they're not in our field of view. And I am the player. I have a last seen unit. So adds that. Step out of that. Now, why is it not going red? Oh, it's because I'm in move. I'm in the move action. And if I step in here, is valid attack. It's going to be false. It's false. Okay, I know how to fix this. So it's only going to work if for shooting. So if so, we're in here. If none of these are valid actions, return. Oh, it's not walkable. Okay, so did I stop it? If Is valid melee. And let's see if that does it. It should highlight him as red because I've been back attacked, you know. So that worked, but it was white. Why was it white? Oh, shit. Duh. Is valid melee. Okay. I think that will do it. And then I'll probably call it a night after this. I just didn't want to end on me forgetting about this. Silly goose. Okay. Now back attack me. And I should highlight you in red. So white, 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 red. So his revealer, even though I know he's there because I've been attacked, he's not being revealed yet. So I'm going to do something about that. But for now, I'll end on this note. Two back attack. Or I got back attacked. I was able to select him. And it turned red after I got back attacked. Yeah. Pretty fucking awesome. Anywho. Thanks for watching, guys. This weekend I'm definitely going to be going hard, getting a lot of stuff edited, finished, and polished. But definitely happy with tonight's progress. Oh, man. All right. I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one.